Students, today we are going to take more information about budget set and budget line. Budget set means it is a collection of all bundles that the consumer can buy with his income at the prevailing market prices is called a budget set. Let us consider consumer who has only a fixed amount of money to spend on two goods, means a person who has only a fixed amount of income to spend on the two goods. Here the prices of the goods are given in the market, and consumer means person cannot buy any and every combination of the two goods that he may want to consume. The consumption bundles means the combinations of the two goods that are available to the consumer, which is depend upon the prices of the two goods and income of the consumer. Here, fixed income of the consumer and prices of the two goods, the consumer can afford to buy only those bundles which cost less or equal to his income. Suppose income of consumer is M, means money or income. The two goods means the banana and the mangoes. The price of banana is P1 and price of mangoes is P2. Suppose if consumer wanted to buy X1 quantities of bananas, then she or he will have to spend P1 X1 amount of money. Means if the person wanted to purchase X1 units of the bananas, then the person will have to spend P1 X1 amount of money. Here P1 means it is the price of the bananas. Likewise, if consumer wanted to buy X2 quantities of mangoes, then she or he will have to spend P2 X2 amount of money. Means if the person wanted to purchase X2 units of the mangoes, then a person have to spend P2 X2 amount of the money. If consumer wants to buy the bundle consisting of X quantities of bananas and X2 quantities of mangoes, then she will spend P1 X1 plus P2 X2 amount of money. Means a person wanted to purchase the bundle, means if he wanted to purchase the X1 units of the banana and X2 units of the mangoes, then the person will spend P1 X1 plus P2 X2 amount of the money. See here, means the given prices of goods and the income of the consumer, she can choose any bundle as long as it cost less than or equal to the income of the consumer. In other words, consumer can buy any bundle, means he can buy any units of the any commodity such that P1 x1 plus P2 x2. It may be less than or it may be equal to the income of the consumer. Take the example. Suppose a consumer who has rupees 20. See here, consumer who has rupees 20 to be spent on the two commodities, means he spent on the mango or banana. Suppose both of the goods, means mangoes and the bananas, are priced at rupees 5 and they are available in integral units. Here the bundle means the combinations that consumer means person can afford to buy are. Means there are the possible options of spending income of rupees 20. Means consumer can spend his entire income on the mangoes. Means if the consumer spent entire income means 20 rupees only on purchasing the mangoes, then he can maybe buy 4 units of the mango, or he can purchase 1 unit of banana and 3 units of the mangoes. Maybe a person can purchase 2 units of bananas and 2 units of the mangoes, or maybe the consumer can spend his entire income is rupees 20 only on to purchase the units of the banana, then he can buy 4 units of the bananas. Means the person, there are the possible option spending income of the rupees 20 in front of the consumer. We will explain it with the help of the diagram. See here, in the diagram on the OX axis we measure the bananas and on the OY axis we represent the units of the mangoes. Here if we observe this diagram, in the diagram at one extreme point means point D, the consumer can buy 4 units of the bananas by spending his entire income of the rupees 20. See here, at the point D, the consumer can buy 4 units of the bananas by spending his entire income of the rupees 20 only on the bananas. At other extreme point means at the point H, if the consumer spend his entire income only on the mangoes, then the consumer can buy the 4 units of the mangoes. Here between the point D and H there are the other point E, F, G, means there are the other combinations are there between the D and the H points. If we joining all these points means D, E, F, G and H, if we joining all these points we get a straight line having a B. means having the equation P1x1 plus P2x2 is equal to M, which is known as the budget line or price line. Means every point on this budget line, see here, every point on this budget line indicates, means shows those bundles of the bananas, means combinations of the bananas and the combinations of the mangoes which the consumer can purchase by spending his entire income of the ₹20 at given prices of the goods. So students, this is all about the budget set. Thank you.